Students, now we will do exercise 8b, question number 8. From the sum of L minus M plus 2N, this is first algebraic expression, comma means that first algebraic expression has finished and the second is started. 3L minus 2M plus N, this is the second algebraic expression, and 4L plus 5M minus 6N. Subtract the sum of L plus M plus N and 2L plus 3M plus 4N. In this question, you can see these are 5 algebraic expressions. First algebraic expression is this one. Second algebraic expression is this one. And third algebraic expression is this one. Fourth algebraic expression is L plus M plus N, and fifth algebraic expression is 2L plus 3M minus plus 4N. First we have to add first, second and third algebraic expression, and in the second part we have to add fourth and fifth algebraic expression, and in the third part of the question, which is this, the last part, we have to subtract from the sum of first, second and third algebraic expression, we have to subtract the sum of fourth and fifth algebraic expression. This was the overall summary or the structure of the question. Now I will tell you how we will do it. Sum of first, second and third algebraic expression. We will, now you can see in the parentheses I have written whatever I have done in the first step. Replace comma and by plus. What does this mean? That replace comma and by plus sign. You can see that this is first algebraic expression and this is comma. When we will write this algebraic expression horizontally, I have replace the comma sign by a plus sign. You can see I replace a comma sign by a plus sign, and you can see this and. I replaced this and sign by a plus sign. Okay, I have done in this uh, first step whatever I have done, I have written it. I replaced comma and by a plus sign. Now what's the second step? Like terms. What does like term means? You can see L. I have written L, then plus 3L, and then plus 4L. I have written the like terms. Why they are like terms? Because they are variable. L is called variable. L and L, their variable is same, that's why these are like terms. Then negative M, negative 2M and positive 5M. You can see I collected these like terms because they are like terms because they have same variable. Okay, now then 2n, positive 2n, positive n and negative 6n. These three are like terms because their variable is same. In this step, I just collected the like terms. Now the last step is very important because in this we have to do some additions. Okay, L is variable and it doesn't have any sign and it doesn't have any coefficient. Coefficient mean number. Okay, L doesn't have any sign. It means that it has positive sign. And it doesn't have any coefficient. It means its coefficient is 1. Its coefficient is 1. Okay, now positive 1L means that a positive sign 1 time. Positive 3L means that a positive sign 3 times. Positive L 3 times. And positive 4L means that positive L 4 times. Now if you will add total, they are 8 times. So 8 times L, this is 8L or positive 8L, both is same. Okay, so positive 8L. Now positive 2M. How positive 2M? Now negative M means that negative 1M. Its coefficient is 1. So negative 1m means that negative m 1 times. Negative 2m means that negative m 2 times, and positive 5m means that positive m 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Now we have to cancel one negative sign with one positive sign. One negative with one positive. Cancel the third negative with the third positive. What is left over? Positive 2m is left over. This is left over. So positive 2m. Now we will solve this. Positive 2n means positive sign 2 times. Okay, positive n means that positive 1n. N is a variable. It doesn't have any coefficient. Its coefficient is 1. So positive n means that positive sign 1 times positive 1n. And negative 6n means that negative sign 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I will cancel one positive sign with one negative sign. Second positive with second negative, and third positive with the third negative. How many negative signs are left over? 3 negative signs. So negative 3n. This is the sum of algebraic expression number first, second, and third. Okay, now the second part of the question is we have to do the sum of algebraic expression number 4 and 5. This is algebraic expression number 4 and this is algebraic expression number 5. Okay, in the parentheses you can see I have written that replace and by positive sign. Replace and by positive sign means that you can see this, and I will replace this and with a positive, this positive sign. Okay, and I have written both the algebraic expressions side by side with each other in a horizontal form. In the second step, just I collected the like terms. Like term means the terms having the same variable. Okay, L, L and positive 2L. L and positive. Okay, now positive M and positive 3N. Positive M and positive 3M. These two are like terms. Now positive N and positive 4N. These two are like terms. Now we will solve. We will add the like terms. Now positive L. L is a variable. It doesn't have any sign. It means that it has a positive sign. It doesn't have a coefficient. It means its coefficient is 1. Now, positive 1L means that positive sign 1 times. Positive 2L means that positive sign, positive L 2 times. LL we will add now. Positive 3L. This is positive 3L. Now we will add these two like terms. M means positive 1M. Positive 1M. Okay, and positive 3M. Positive 1m means that positive sign 1 times, and positive 3m means that positive m 3 times. Now total they are positive 4m. Look, positive 4m. Now positive n means positive 1n and positive 4n. Positive 1n means that positive sign 1 time, and positive 4n means that positive n 4 times. 2, 3, and it's 4. Total now they are 5n, and they are positive 5n. See, this is positive 5n. This is the sum of algebraic expression fourth and fifth. We have done the sum of algebraic expression for second and third. We have done the sum of algebraic expression fourth and fifth. Now we have to do the third part of the question, that is subtract. Now we have to subtract from the sum of first, second and third algebraic expression, and the sum of first, second and third algebraic expression is 8L plus 2M minus 3N. We have to subtract from this algebraic expression the sum of fourth and fifth algebraic expression. That is, the sum of fourth and fifth algebraic expression is 3l plus 4m plus 5n. Now, while doing subtraction, we have to keep some points in mind. The subtraction is not that much easy as addition. Addition is easier, but in subtraction we have to uh, be very vigilant while doing our subtraction question. Okay, when doing the subtraction question, I will tell you the rules. And while I will do the subtraction, I will tell you the rules. And I have told you these rules earlier in the previous questions. In the first step, I have written in the parenthesis that putting negative sign and parenthesis. When you will do subtraction, you have first rule is you will put negative sign and parenthesis. How? Like this. Look, this is 8l plus 2m minus 3m. This is first algebraic expression. Before writing the next algebraic expression, you have to put this negative sign because you are doing subtraction. And the most important thing is that you have to write this algebraic expression which you have to subtract from the other algebraic expression. You have to write it in the parentheses. Can you see these parentheses? I have written the next algebraic expression which we have to subtract from the first algebraic expression in the parentheses. These are the two basics of subtraction: negative sign and putting the next algebraic expression in the parentheses. Now, the second important rule is changing signs. Changing signs means that, see, 8l plus 2m minus 3n, this is the first algebraic expression, and we will copy this algebraic expression from the above step. No change of sign, but in the next algebraic expression we will change the sign. Look, okay, 3l doesn't have any sign. It means that it has a positive sign. Positive sign is changed into negative. Positive is changed into negative. Positive is changed into negative. What I have done, I have changed the signs of this second algebraic expression, the algebraic expression which I have to subtract from the first algebraic expression. Now, why I change the sign? Now I will tell you why I will change the sign. Because this parenthesis means multiplication. This negative sign is being multiplied by this positive sign, positive 3l. When negative sign will multiply by positive 3l, negative sign multiplied by positive sign always gives us a negative sign. Again, this negative sign will be multiplied by this positive sign, positive 4m. Negative multiplied by positive always gives us a negative sign. Okay, again, this negative sign is being multiplied by this positive 5n, positive sign. Negative multiplied by positive will gives us a negative sign. Okay, we change the sign actually because this negative sign is multiplied by all the signs which are with these terms. Okay, this 3l has positive sign, negative into positive, negative, negative into positive, negative, negative into positive gives us negative. So these were important rules or steps. You have to keep it in mind. Okay, after this step, now we will collect the like terms. I have written in the parentheses that like terms 8l and 3l are the like terms because both have same variable l. Similarly, 2m and negative 4m are like terms because both have same variable. Negative 3n and negative 5n both have same variable. Both are like terms. Now 5l. How 5l? When we will solve 8l and negative 3l, it will gives us 5l. How? I will show you. 8l means, okay, 8l means positive 8l. 8 doesn't have any sign, it means it has positive sign. Okay, positive 8l means that positive sign 8 times 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Positive sign 8 times. And negative 3l means negative sign 3 times. Cancel a positive with a negative. And how many positive? 5l. Okay. Now, positive 2m and negative 4m gives us negative 2m. I will prove it and I will show you here. Positive 2m means that positive sign 2 times, and negative 4m means that negative sign 4 times. We will cancel one positive with one negative and two negative signs are left, so negative 2m. Similarly, negative 3n means that negative sign 3 times, and negative 5n means that negative sign 5 times. Total they are, negative signs are 8 times, so negative 8n. Hope you hope you have understand this question. It was a very easy question.